On Monday, Gauteng Education MEC Matome Chiloane announced that a law firm had been appointed to probe the circumstances surrounding the death of Latoya Temilton. Earlier in January, 12-year-old Temilton drowned on a school excursion.
Yeah, what we're expecting from the law firm in particular is a report that can assist us to get to the bottom of the matter, number one. Number two, if there are those that should be held liable and accountable, what are the areas that are missed? Fourthly, it will assist us what transpired, because there are many stories. So in the main is to assist us to connect all the dots.
MEC Gauteng, the head of the selected firm, told News 24 his team would kick off the investigations that would involve interviews with pupils, teachers, the principal, and family.
We still need to check and find out on site whether the teachers were monitoring the kids, whether they were there at all times, and whether if information was dispatched to the teachers from this learner, if she's able to swim or not, for an example. And then if this child is able to swim or did not know how to swim, what measures were put in place, why they allowed the learner to swim. Those are the questions that need answers, and then they will form part of our report. Because our investigation, it's not only based against or on the school, but also on the other side as well. We'll be on facts finding. Our investigation starts today, and then we'll be working on that.
Chiloane said the firm would share its recommendations to the department within 7 days.
The parents entrust the responsibility of their children to us as schools during a particular period of time in the day, or even on trips. As much as they sign indemnity forms, it does not mean that because of that form, therefore you are no longer liable. Every teacher knows their responsibility as an educator, and they know that if you don't do their work, what happens? So we're not working with people who don't know what they need to be done, and they know what's going to happen. We will get to the bottom of the matter as to what happened, and we'll work together to find closure, because it's not the loss of the school alone. It's the loss of the schooling community at large.